Doing this Shogun challenge, I thought I'd give my 2 cents. Charlie Jenner, I told you I had the rebate, so check it out. Check it out. Mike checked it off the bucket. See my triple O, pass me off a little something, had to dunk it pronto. To the crowd yelling encore, no doubt they want some more of this, they need it. Charlie got them sweet 16s, just a little ear candy made to free him. Sucking this Coliseum, I'm waging war with what I've been seeing. Reality seeming like it might just get the best of me. But Mom said I was a survivor, living right was in my destiny. The recipe is a family secret, heirloom was the earth and me in the Grim Reaper. Oh, don't you know me so well? It's my life story, but you know the hotel vacancy you must. Plan the A through C, I must keep it cool. Tell them youngins to put your heaters up and to stay in school. Aim for higher grades, scholastic honor from where they knock Carter. Told that Dean Martin I'm a product of my environment. 21 Jump Street called a fireman, cause the block is hot enough to melt aluminum. Illuminate your crucifixes, look for the light near the end of the tunnel. I'll be there with a beer in a funnel, then we could get so gone, so gone. Feel like I ain't seen you in so long, baby. I could be your atom if you be my proton. Hope you never Eve me, then we don't have to leave. Just another story of the birds and the bees. That my cement will never comprehend what it means to be a G. It seems highly unlikely to me at least, but that's another topic for another day. Either way, she's still getting paid, making pretty pennies. Clothes we got plenty. Put on for my city, sending in the late night. Better pack your bags cause we about to take flight. Set my grind to autopilot, maybe stop off at one of them Cayman Islands. Never remaining silent, been known to bust a rhyme until he get to the top of that Everest. Took forever to get my neck and wrist all shining bright as fuck cause they real diamonds. See, I reached into the skies and put my stars in alignment. Even as a youngin', I've been so defiant. Why y'all sheep to a lion? Lying to yourself or dying, either dead or crying about how things never really did work out. Probably cause y'all never really did work shit out to the finish line. Right here we working overtime and then some. Focused on our income. See, I told y'all once before that it's pedal straight through the floor in this bitch. Fuck being hood rich, I'm trying to be we're renowned. So watch me pushing down like it's Yola. Fuck what they done told you, should invest in a soldier. Hailing from the LV, you can't tell me nothing, bitch.